Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Eyescream beauty box. If you're not familiar, it is a beauty subscription box where you get all full size, all makeup, and I believe it's around $25 a month. I am new to this subscription. I think this is my third box. I have really been enjoying it. I did peek inside to see what I got so that I can share a little bit of information about it and apply it to give my first impressions. So if that sounds like fun, then just keep watching. When I open the box, there is a little card inside. It says November Holiday Prep. There's a little thank you, and then it has a little bit of information about all the products inside my box. The first item I'll pull is this one from the brand ZC. I have received products from this brand before. This is the Boba Blush. It is described as a silky, buildable blush that leaves cheeks looking sweet and naturally flushed. Inspired by bubbly boba drinks, it gives your skin the cutest pop of color and is perfect for on-the-go beauty. It retails for $18. Packaging is super cute. It's got a little embossment inside. This is what the color looks like. I do have some makeup on already. There is at least one item from Beauty Creations in here, and you know that's going to be one of my top brands at the end of the year. There are a lot of things from that brand that I like. I have their foundation on, their concealer, their bronzer, and then of course everything else will be listed. This is my Morphe A22. I'm just building it up a little bit for a nice soft pink flush. This next item I'm super excited about because it is from the brand Gourmand Girls. I watch a lot of creators that have featured Gourmand Girls on their channels, and I've never tried anything. So the first product from Gourmand Girls is the Trapped Collection Lip Gloss. It retails for $18. It is a high shine, smooth, ultra comfortable gloss that delivers juicy color with a glossy finish. Wear it alone or over lipstick for a luscious, trapped in glam look. Super cute packaging. I'll pop off camera and take off this lip treatment and add a little bit of my Beauty Creations Plump and Pout lip liner. This one is in the shade Love Status. I'll go ahead and swatch this gloss for you. It's definitely a thicker formula, but does not feel sticky at all. Very nice if you like a pigmented gloss. The next three products are for the eyes, and I am really happy to see that I have a Gourmand Girls palette. This one is La Petite Maison, $40. It says on my card, we are absolutely so excited to be featuring this exclusive palette by Gourmand Girls, a charming French-inspired palette filled with soft mattes and romantic shimmers, perfect for creating elegant everyday looks with a touch of Parisian flair. Try the formula that has made Gourmand Girls one of the top indie beauty brands. Very excited. Beautiful outer packaging. The inner packaging looks the same. We have a protector and a mirror. They did have little covers on all of the shimmer shades. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. And then here are the last two. Very pretty. Here are the first four mattes. Oh, they feel very nice. Ooh. And then here are the last two. I do have my eyes primed with my Morphe Solo Shadow in Chorus. I'm going to start with this Cellar Door, and this is a Sigma E54. Yeah. I'm just going to take the other side of this brush, which is the E38, and just soften those edges. Just going to take that E54 with that same Cellar Door on it and take it underneath. Very impressed. Now this palette is very green heavy, and I think with the pink cheeks and the pink lip, I'm not feeling the green. So I'm going to go into this Chandelier, which appears to be a little bit more of a softer champagne. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Clean fingers, going into that original brush. And I'm happy with that. The next item in my box is from Beauty Creations. This is the Bratz liner set, retails for $14. Channel your inner Bratz doll with this bold liner duo, smooth, pigmented, and perfect for snatched wings, fierce flicks, and expressive doll-like glam. The white liner can be used to make your eyes look bigger, more awake, and brighter, whereas the black liner can be used to get that dark feminine look that is currently trending. Last month I had a colored liner and I just couldn't bring myself to use it. A liquid colored liner, just not my cup of tea. But black and white, yes, that can work. Let's check these out. On this side is a pencil, and on the other side is a liquid. Same for the black. So I'm going to take the black. I'll use this in my outer waterline. Feels a little stiff. Maybe it needs to be broken in. Not loving the pencil. Let's try the liquid. I'm not used to the dippy style. And it's a little bit wet. Let me see if it dries down matte. Still looks pretty shiny, which is not my favorite. Let's see if I can do something with this white. It's a no for the pencil. Too dry. Let's just see if I can add a little bit of the white just in my inner third. Kinda liking. Let me just blend out that edge. Adds a little brightness to the eye. The last item in my box is a waterproof mascara from ZC Cosmetics for $22. Long-lasting, smudge-proof, and totally waterproof, this mascara lifts and defines every lash. Perfect for all-day wear, no flakes, no smears, just flawless volume. Now, I did peek at this, hoping that it was black. And it is not. It is a blue mascara, so I'm going to pop off camera, add some of my new favorite, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Body on the top, and then we'll put the blue on the bottom. I went ahead and added a couple of coats of the Maybelline, and now I'll go into the ZC Blue. I don't mind a colored mascara on my bottom lashes, but I do want one that shows up. This one is a bust. I have my Revolution Tubing Mascara sitting next to me, BRB. Final thoughts on the box. The Bratz liner set from Beauty Creations. I don't see myself using this. I will continue playing with the liquid liners and I will let you know if they run, but the pencil liners, way too dry. It's a pass. The gloss from Gourmand Girls, very nice. Quality wise, it's nice. I'm just not huge on the shade. The mascara, hard pass, very dry. Don't love colored. Definitely am not a waterproof girly. The blush I think is very pretty. Soft, blurring, buildable, very nice. And we've got a theme here. Again, the star of the show is going to be the palette. This Gourmand Girls Le Petite Maison palette I think is gorgeous. I'm sorry that I did not create 2 looks for you today. I would normally do that. I'm just on a time crunch. Luke is still recovering. I'm hoping that he returns to school tomorrow. Today is Thursday. So I have to hurry and get back downstairs to help my husband. But if you would like to see more looks with this palette, let me know. I can for sure do a short. And of course, in my December favorites and fails, which may become a January favorites and fails because I'm working on my year-end stuff, I will have some more pictures of this for you with different looks because for sure I cannot wait to get into some of these colors. I loved the textures. I went into the very soft shimmer here. Mattes felt so creamy and gorgeous. This one I probably won't touch, but the rest of them, absolutely. So did I get my money's worth? I say absolutely. This palette retails for $40. I paid around $25 for my box. I got to play with Gourmand Girls. I love a subscription box and the joy of not knowing what you're getting and just having fun with makeup. I love it. I think that this is a fun subscription box and I'm not going anywhere. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. Some of them are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I thank you so much because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, it really helps. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Do you get the Eyescream beauty box? Did you enjoy your products? Or you can just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one.